Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing good and safe at home. We all know that the situation has gotten worse and people are suffering due to this lockdown, especially the poor people. And also we are running out of masks and few other essential things in the hospitals and as well as healthcare department. So a lot of organizations are coming up to help these people, and sometimes it can be hard to find those genuine organizations and we can have so many doubts regarding how to transfer the amount to them. Amazon has taken a great initiative and it has come up with an option for donation. Like you can donate directly to the PM Case Fund, and as well as it has many other well-known organizations. Also, if you do not have an Amazon account, you can still go to their website and donate there if you're willing to do. I will be providing you the links in the description box, so do check them out if you want to donate any amount to them. Let's get started. Open up the Amazon app and go to the home page. You can find the PM Cares icon over there. Click that and it will redirect you to the donation links. These are the organizations you can donate to support them in helping the needy. Also, you can find few tips and other important information regarding COVID-19. There's also information about how your donation will be utilized. If you hit the frequently asked questions, you have information related to the donations, like what is PM Case Fund, like the minimum amount you can donate and the tax related questions, and also if you want to cancel your donations. So do give it a read if you want to know it. Coming to the back, you can click the PM Case Fund if you want to donate to it. The next are the NGOs you can contribute amount. I will be showing the few NGOs over here. The first one is Akshayapatra. You can see all the details over here. All you need to do is just enter the amount and fill up all the details and hit donate now. They have just basic details, so it hardly takes any time to do it. Similarly, Oxfamindia also provides hygiene kits and personal protective kits to the healthcare workers. So it would be really helpful if you support them a little bit. You can go through the entire page to learn how they are working. Lastly, we are going to the United Way NGO. It has a lot of information regarding how they are helping out and things they are providing. Well, today I am going to donate to United Way and Habitat NGO, but I am going to show you the donation I made for United Way over here. So I've selected the personal protective kits. I've entered the amount to donate. Now it redirects to the form. I filled all the details and lastly I hit donate button. This takes you to your Amazon account. Now, like as usual, you select your card and just like any normal transaction you used to do, enter the OTP and that's it, you're done. The amount has been donated to them. So this just takes few minutes to make a difference. So let's help together and fight against COVID-19. Another important thing is Amazon will contribute 10% of your donation until 30th April. That's really a good thing, so try to donate before 30th April so that an extra amount can be added to your donation. I hope this video is helpful to you people, and do try to donate to the people nearby you or through the organizations as well. So as every little contribution can make a difference. So that's it for today and meet you in my next video. Until then, take care and be safe.